God bless you.
Who said your feet stink? She sneezed both times.
Smell that feet.
Her tongue's hanging out the side of her mouth.
You're so lazy. You're so vicious.